When practicing water sports, pay attention to the security zone and stay well away from swimmers. Always observe the rules and follow the instructions for each situation. Motorsports and sailing must be practiced at least 200 meters from the beach or 50 meters from rocky areas. It is forbidden to swim at any time in the designated navigational waterways. Before entering the water, inform someone on dry land about what you're going to do. Bear in mind the conditions of sea currents and winds when using skis or practicing any type of water sports without an engine. Be aware of your own limitations and try not to get too near to the shore. Do not practice motorsports around moored boats. Always follow the safety precautions recommended for each activity. This is advice from the Cabildo de Gran Canaria and the City Sea Council of the Town Hall and the Canary government. Security at all costs for Canarian waters.
112, emergencias, dígame.